Grabe naman, Angel. Pressure! Top 3 cities or places I've been to dahil sa trabaho ko. Siguro una niya dyan, yung London. Nag-travel ako nun sa London for work nung may in-interview yung boss ko for a show. Tapos, bumalik din kami doon nung namatay yung Queen. The reason why I chose London or why I love London is because it reminded me na it's like a combination of New York and Manila. Sobrang dami ng tao, it's an old city, maraming historic places, tapos ang ganda ng mga accent ng mga tao, ng mga English. Pero more than anything, what makes London special is ang daming successful Pinoy doon. Maraming successful na Filipino nurses, maraming successful na Filipino caregivers. Talagang kilalang kilala tayo as very hardworking but with the most giving heart. And yun yung ibang reasons kung bakit gustong gusto ko ang London. It's the heart of Europe. O abangan niyo yung second tsaka yung third cities.